Hey guys, today we'll be doing an unboxing and review on this really cool midget slash little apple talking clip-on keychain figure from Annoying Orange. I had to say slash because Midget Apple's his old name and Little Apple's his new name because he does not like being called by his old name, and his friends call him Little Apple from now on, like in newer videos from Annoying Orange. And fun fact, I actually got this from the same seller I got Grandpa Lemon from. And okay, I got it open. Just let me be careful here because, yeah, I'm only gonna take out the item because that's all we need to look at. We're not gonna look at anything else. So this is the Midget Apple talking keychain figure right here. It's protected in this because he does not want this item to get damaged or anything, or any conditional changes, because I try to be very careful with my stuff. Yeah. I'm always careful with the toys that I have because I do care a lot about them. I care about my stuff very much, and I like to keep it in original condition because if it's in original condition, it's worth more money. And stuff loses value if you make the condition worse, usually. Okay, so this is it. So this is the Midget Apple talking keychain here, and super cool, isn't it? It's got a hole right there, like a hole in the packaging. So you could press it and hear what he says. And here's the back. And it tells you stuff like a description about the character, other toys to collect from there, description, barcode number, picture of character, phrase, first squeeze comedy, and cool, my own website. See more at annoyingorange.com. So let's press it. Yeah, so this is basically all the phrases that this Midget Apple thing has, and this is like half as big as the regular Midget Apple talking figure that I have here. The regular talking figure, I don't know how rare this is compared to that, but it might be less rare than the keychain. I don't really know. This is it right here. And there is a toy of Midget Apple that I do not have. It's actually a smaller version of this figure because the box is smaller for the other one, and on the back it has 4 characters. This one has 8 characters, 8 figures, but the Midget Apple figure I don't have, that one has 4 characters. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, so there's only one Midget Apple figure that I need. Then I'll have the full set of 3 Midget Apple figures, and same thing goes for Pear too. I don't have the Pear keychain or the small Pear figure, but I will get them eventually. And when I get them, I'll review them individually. Maybe I'll review stuff as sets. I don't know. Sometimes I like to change my mind. Sometimes I like to review items as sets and individuals. Maybe I'll review all those Annoying Orange items. Like the ones with 4 items on the back, I might review them as a set.